Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make biscuit garland. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need basic baking ingredients such as 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 stick of cold butter, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget your favorite cookie cutters, parchment paper, and a rolling pin. Also, have some decorative twine or ribbon on hand for the final assembly. Now, let's get baking. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. Next, cut in 8 tablespoons of very cold butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add about 1/4 cup of milk or water to form a soft, workable dough. Roll the dough to approximately 1/4 inch thick. Use your cookie cutters and remember to make a small hole at the top of each biscuit before baking. Once your biscuits are baked to a golden brown, let them cool completely on a wire rack. This is crucial before you begin decorating. Prepare your favorite royal icing or a simple powdered sugar glaze. You can divide it into several bowls and add different food colorings for variety. Use piping bags with small tips or fine brushes to create beautiful, intricate designs. Don't forget to add festive sprinkles or edible glitter for extra sparkle. Finally, it's time to assemble your stunning biscuit garland. Measure and cut a piece of decorative twine or ribbon to your preferred length, perhaps 3 to 5 feet long. Carefully thread each beautifully decorated biscuit onto the string through the hole you made earlier. Arrange them with about 1 inch of space between each for a lovely, balanced look. Now, proudly display your unique, homemade garland for everyone to admire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.